Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's March 27, 2023. We're going to talk about Google today and how the banning of TikTok could possibly increase the stock's value. Now, there's an article right here from Forbes that kind of insinuates that this could possibly be a boost for Google. So I wanted to talk about it and see if it's actually still being related on the price chart in Google. Because if so, then guess what? What we already predicted on our chart lets us know that we're on the right track. Okay, so look at this article right here. It was posted about 4 days ago. Banning TikTok would boost Alphabet, Meta, and Snap. Here's how much their stocks could jump. So let's talk about it. Went through already, highlighted a couple things. A trio of American technology giants could tack on some $431 billion in market value if the U.S. bans TikTok, according to Bernstein analysis published Thursday, as the issues posed by the widely popular Chinese-owned social media app take center stage in Washington. Yeah, they're getting grilled. Okay, TikTok is getting grilled by Congress. Alphabet, Meta, and Snap, each of which operates short-form video platforms rivaling TikTok, would all be in line for major stock jumps if the U.S. moves forward with a TikTok shutdown, according to a note to clients Thursday from Bernstein. So we got one particular company saying that if the U.S. bans TikTok, Alphabet, Google, Meta, Snap could all benefit from this. Okay, cool. Shares of YouTube Shorts parent Alphabet, which is Google, could jump as much as 20%. 20%. Should TikTok users need to flock to a replacement for their social media fix. 20%. All right, so let's just say that this article was posted March 23rd. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a 20% move higher in Google on March 23rd. Let's see where it was. Okay, so the article came out right here. So we take it from the close of this particular day and we'll go up 20%. Okay, let's go up 20%. And let's see what price it gives us. So that's around $127.50. So Bernstein is looking for Google to run to $127.50. Now, is that a coincidence? So if we were to draw this area here, I think you guys can see where he's thinking the market's going to move towards. Now, obviously, there's a couple of areas below $125 that is going to be resistance and sellers will come in. But it's not a coincidence that he's looking for the market to run up 20%. One of the biggest areas is going to be around 120 for resistance in Google. So, okay, cool. That's what he thinks. He or she, whoever works for Bernstein, that's what they think. Are they accurate in their presumptions as to where price in Google is going to go? Well, I mean, from what we're talking about, from our current analysis, yes, Google looks to continue to trend up. Now, we did our last video in Google here, okay, on March 21st, okay, and you guys can see where we're looking for the market to run in Google. You can actually tell that sellers are coming into the market in Google right around $108, okay, just like they did back in February. So there's nothing to be alarmed over. The market in Google also saw selling here during its earnings release. Market took a dump. Now we're coming right back up here to this price level again. Now, one thing that I'm seeing is that price is being very reluctant as of right now of trading below our horizontal line of $104.50, maybe around like 105. Okay, we're not seeing sellers coming back in like they did the previous time in February. The market actually is holding its own weight. That's a good thing. Now let's look at this on the wiki chart for Google. Okay, so currently we already know 108 is resistance. I'm quite sure I had that as one of our first price targets, 108. Second target is around 112. But currently, from this long-term perspective, the market looks very bullish in Google. I mean, I'm just gonna keep it a buck. Look at this 2 weekly price bar right there. Like, that's very good. Once you combine it with the prior 2 weekly price bars, right? So these three 2 weekly price bars is letting us know that there's a lot of sellers, right? Let me zoom in so you all can see this better. These 2 weekly price bars right here is telling us that the market was definitely getting hit with sellers. For us to get this result tells us that the overall market bought Google. Someone knows something. Okay, I don't know who it is. It could be Bernstein for all I care. It could be Warren Buffett for all I care. But somebody understands that where price was trading at during these 2 weekly price bars, that it was a buying opportunity, because now we got this massive spread 2 weekly price bar going up. That is definitely bullish in Google. Look at this on the 3 weeks. This market is definitely bullish on a weekly chart. I like the weekly, I like the 2 weeks, I like the 3 weekly time frame. This market is definitely telling that Google is trying to move, and it's trying to move up. Okay. Look at this on the 5 weeks. The only problem that I can see is $108. That's the only thing that could really put a lid on how Google will go. And you guys can see it better on the 5 weekly chart. You guys can see it. Look at the tops of these bars here. It's letting us know outside of this 108, the market could be on a massive run higher. Monthly chart. So we have 4 days and 9 hours left. Just like I told you, I like the weekly charts. It's showing us that Google wants to go higher, and it's definitely being seen on the monthly chart as well too. I don't have to allow an analyst or look at CNBC or look at any other YouTube videos to understand that where price is showing us is that Google is trying to go up, period. And we may have to extend our price prediction in Google later on in the months, maybe maybe in April, May timeframe, but this is definitely a stock that is trying to go up. I'm done. So I'm not going to change my price prediction. Now, I would tell you, as we continue to pursue the market going up in Google, we will come through and extend our price prediction higher, but we're going to maintain what we have now. Okay. We want to see the market run to 112. And then once we hit 112, we're going to see if sellers are going to come back in the market and push price down, or if the buyers are going to continue to hold price and continue to show us that they're looking for higher movement. Because if so, then we're going to look for 116, and then 120 is going to be next. I'm already prepared for this. No need to be nervous, no need to question, and people act like you cannot be a winner in stocks. And we're giving you examples. So join me, subscribe to the channel, make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.